Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with the exact spot you want visible in the top left pane. Select that cell. This tells Excel where the split bars belong. Once selected, go to the View tab and click Split. Excel instantly places vertical and horizontal bars at that cell's left and above edges. Make sure you're not editing a cell and the sheet isn't protected, otherwise Split won't engage. This step gives you independent panes to scroll different parts of the sheet at once. Once the split bars appear, drag them to resize each pane to the rows and columns you need. This lets you compare distant data without losing headers. You can scroll each pane independently using the mouse wheel, arrow keys, or scroll bars. Make sure to click inside a pane to activate it before typing or copying, because actions apply only to the active area. If you want only a single horizontal or vertical split, start with a cell in row 1 or column A. Then click Split again. To finish, position panes exactly how you like, then save the workbook to preserve that view. When you're done comparing, remove the splits by clicking View Split again, or double-click a split bar to restore a single window. If Split won't activate, make sure you're not editing a cell, disable sheet protection, and avoid being in Page Break Preview. Those states block the command. If issues persist, try closing dialogues and toggling the View tab features, then reapply Split.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.